Hi Jack, are you ready for some cooking to make some salmon biscuits? Good, okay, sit. Yeah, okay. So first we're gonna add the salmon. Good, wait. We add a half a cup or a cup of salmon, okay? Bunch of parsley. So now what we have to do is we have to mix in the eggs. Here, look what we have. This is good calcium, good source of calcium, okay? Do you want to break that or do you want me to? I'll break it. So what we want to do is we want to add 3 eggs. So we have our 6 ounces of salmon from a can, 3 eggs, a quarter cup of good parsley. Mix it good. Mix. And then we're going to add rice flour because that's going to hold it together. Don't eat it yet. Wait. You're as bad as the kids licking the bowl. I remember that. All right. So here, mix it up, Jack. Mix. Good boy. Oh, look at you mixing. Such a good mixer. Yes. Okay. Is it good to mix? Look at it carefully. Look carefully. Is it mixed good? Good boy. Okay. Now, you want to taste a little bit and see? Here, let me see. Oh, you got flour on your nose, buddy. It's rice flour, though. It's easy to digest. Here we go. Good boy. You like it? You like it? Look at me. Yes? Is it good? Oh, it's very good. Okay. Yum, yum. Now, we're going to mix it and roll it out. What kind of toys do you have here? What's this? Oh, a bone and a wolf and a buffalo and a little turtle and a fish. And where'd you put your rolling pin, Jack? What do you have? Do you have the rolling pin now? Are you ready with that? Okay, let's roll out. Let's roll out the dough. Good job. So we're gonna take a little ball of this. Okay. Yep. Good boy. Gonna roll it out. Roll. Get it rolled. Good. Excellent. Gonna take this little cookie cutter. Do you want to use this one, or do you want to use this one? This one? Okay. One. Oh, it's a dog bone. And another dog bone. Good boy. Yes, pick it up and put it on this. Nope, put it on this thing. Put it on the tray. Good job. Put it on the. Wait, hang on. Here, take it and put it on the tray. Good boy. Yes. Let's make a turtle. Turtle. Hang on. Here we go. Oh, turtle lost his head. That's okay. That's Michelle. That's little Michelle turtle. Okay. And another dog bone. How about a buffalo? Hey, you're not helping. Put it on the. Wait a second. Check. Here, put this on the tray. Good boy. You did a good job. Yes, you did. Okay. Good boy. Now we're going to bake them. You got to go get it in the oven. Okay, we're going to put it in the oven. Ready? Here it goes. All right. Did you try one more? Okay. Good. Try one more. Okay, hang on. Let's put it in the oven. There we go. Go on. You shut the oven door. Let's see. Give me a high five. Good boy. And can you lay down? Yep. And can you sit up? Sit. Give me 2 paws. 1, 2. Good boy. Yes. And can you speak? Can you give me a speak? Give me a speak. Hello. Let's see. Do you like it? Yay. Hello, Ted. Oh, big thumbs up. Good boy.